Welcome back, guys. Hope everyone's doing well. Just a quick one today. I just wanted to show you what's going on 2 meters. It's incredibly busy because there's a bit of a lift on. It's been like this for a few days. Stations popping up all over the place. There is some amazing propagation happening on 2 meters at the moment. This station's up north somewhere. Yeah, Mike 6 Juliet Kilo Alpha QSL. Yeah, okay, Mel, lovely. I've been listening a little while for the QSO. Understand you're running at 817 there with just 5 watts. So very, very good job. Very good job. I'm running 10 watts here. ICOM IC 705 antenna is an X50. So I'm at home. Funnily enough, I was going to try and do a bit of parks on the air today. But didn't quite manage it. So it's nice to make a bit of a trip. Location here is about 10 miles north of London, in the town of Hertford, in Hertfordshire. QSL name's Andy, by the way. Yeah, okay there, Mel, no problem at all. I won't hold it with you. You're a 3 and a 5 at the moment, 3 and a 5. I've got a bit of local noise over this way, so that might be the reason. But altogether, a nice contact there, nice contact, Mel. So I'll say Happy Christmas, enjoy your time up there. I think you're on a hill. You must be up there. But yeah, thanks for the report, and hope to catch you again. Happy Christmas, 73s. M0 ONU from M6 JKA. Yeah, 73s, Mel, 73s. There you go, you do not need a lot of power when the conditions are right. This is the antenna situation. It can go up a bit higher, actually. I might do that. Wow, that's made a massive difference. Just that extra 1 metre. Oh, no, hang on a minute. That's about 2 metres a section.
6 Echo X-ray uniform, Mike 0 Romeo November uniform, portable.
Never seen 2 metres like this. Look at this. Crazy. I don't even need the noise reduction on there.
Mike 1 Charlie uniform X-ray, Mike 0 Romeo November uniform portable.
Height is might, that's what they say. So where he is 950 feet above sea level, so
No problem copying you back up to 5 now.
that's pretty cool. So there you go, guys, one for the radio heads. Thought you might like that. Hopefully by the time this video comes out, this lift will still be on, so you might have a chance to get out and play a bit of radio and see where you can get. I can't believe this waterfall.
I think it's about 3 stations calling. I will work you as soon as possible.
Funnily enough, there's no SSB action at the moment. It's all FM, so even easier to make a contact. FT8 booming through as well. I'm going to carry on playing. Catch you later.